This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Oslo Motor Show at Lillestrøm, and I'm going to do a quick review of MG Cyberster. I talked to some of the guys over there at MG. Well, actually, she works for Bavaria. Well, long story. She used to work for Hi-Fi, and then they went bankrupt, and then she recognized me, and she works now for Bavaria, and Bavaria actually sells these also. I thought it was only Birger and Haug, but okay. So I will just do a quick review, and soon we can actually be able to borrow it and test it. So let's see. The problem is that it's public day now, so anyone can just enter. So, but I will just have to elbow myself in here. So here you see the interior. Wow, this is a proper sports car. Let's see. Hey, how do I adjust? Oh, okay. Let me pull the door down. We have. You know what? There should be a button to close it, right? Here. Of course. And then you have adjustment here with memory and some other adjustments here. Interesting that you have a screen there, but it has conventional mirror. Thank you for that. Wait, can you also close that door? There should be a button to close that door, right? Here. Oh yeah, stylish. You drop off your mistress, and then she doesn't close the door because women doesn't close the door. Oh, of course. Can we take the roof up or down? Not sure how this works. This is probably to close the roof. There. All right, you have to press. Okay, you have to press and hold. So eventually, I'll be able to borrow it in Thailand. That was fairly quick, yeah. And then we have to do 1,000 kilometer challenge. You know, we have to do the whole package. Yeah, and then supposedly I can borrow it soon. I mean, they already have press cars. I just haven't been paying attention. So let me get an impression now. You really sit like encapsulated in here. You're surrounded with panels and screens, and interesting that they don't have that big screen here. There's like this air vent, manual air vents. You have HVAC controls here in a separate screen. You have the gear selector here. You have some flap propeller here. It's for it says curse, so it's for regen. And then you have button. What is it? Is this auto steer? This is auto steer. Yeah, that's interesting. They put auto steer. Super sport. And now we're cooking. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Then it becomes the. Yeah. So then the display changes. Okay. And then at 75%, we have 313 kilometers of GOM range, sending data to China. Oh yeah, of course, MG, it has proper trip meter, even though it's a Chinese car. So yeah, but yeah, so navigation is here. Oh, sorry, it's a bit bright. Yeah, Chinese cars, they are so bright. But this is actually a quite small car. I have to check something. How much headroom do we have? Because I'm a small Asian, 173 centimeters. Ooh. Okay, if I take up the windows now, there. Okay, soundproofing. But it's just a fabric roof, not a steel roof. But you see, the way I sit now is that I don't have a fist of clearance. I just have a couple of fingers. So it is somewhat tight. Yeah, but let's open it again. Wait, you have to press and hold, okay. And then it goes there. You can see the whole mechanism. And that means that it eats up some of the space in the back. I'm going to check out the trunk, but it's fairly quick. Let me see. So if I open the door, how you know, I would naturally try to find something like this to open, but do you actually have to open it here? Really? That looks weird. Bose sound system. Okay. Overall, I have to say the steering wheel looks and feels nice. You know, I recently tested Tesla, and it's funny. It's like, are you the guy from YouTube? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. I get recognized as expected. But I was gonna say, you know, the steering wheel. I tried Model X long range recently. It cost over $1 million NOK. The new Model X Palladium. And the steering wheel was just feeling a bit hard and not that comfortable, and actually smaller than the old Model X steering wheel. But here you actually get nice steering wheel, nice to touch. So okay, let's get out here. And then we have to check out the trunk. So this is somewhat important for you guys maybe. The trunk space, okay, it's not electric liftgate, but this is it. How many banana boxes can I fit in here? 2 maybe? But you know, it is what it is. It's not a family car. You see here, you have not much space under here. So how do you close it? It is okay. You just have to slam it down. So it's only a 2-seater because this takes up a lot of space, and it's relatively compact. But it should be quite fun to drive. But I wonder if it has all-wheel drive. Does it have all-wheel drive only forward and not back? Just like the MG, the other MG. What's it called again? Marvel. Well, okay. Let me just show you some of the exterior. It looks nice. Yeah. Does it have a front? I bet it doesn't have a front. Let's check it out. We have to check out everything. Okay, so we find the handle for it. It's supposed to be here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Double tap on it. Okay, and then you open the front. But okay, yeah, the 12 volts is being charged, but no front. But then washer fluid only behind a big ass lid here. Then there's washer fluid. What is the point of this cover? It weighs 500 grams maybe. It probably cost $1, right? But what is the point of the cover? that's always what I ask. That's also what Sandy Munro would ask. What is the purpose of it? But now I'm trying to put it back, and there. Okay, there. Yeah. And then let's close the. Wait, it's not. There, now it's not it. Maybe it's soundproofing, I'm not sure. But let's try to close this. How do you close the front or the front? I think you're supposed to have to press it like this, just like in a Tesla. That's it. And then I have to show you guys the yellow. I'm not sure how many other colors it comes in, but there is also a yellow. Oh, does it have the same interior? Seems like it. Yeah, same interior there. Oh, let me check the charge port. Oh, okay. Ooh, it has the lights over there, huh? And the charge port is the left side with the right side, not the right side with the wrong side. I can, you know, I recognize this from other MGs. This butt plug here, but it's just manual. That's the way it should be, right? So you don't have any problems with stuff. Let me check out. 245 40 20, 275 35 20. So it's not crazy big tires, but the car is not that big, so it doesn't have to be that crazy, right? Let me see. Let me try to close this. I want to get a little. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to operate this car on normal day to day. Is there also a button on the key fob to close the roof? Check it out from this side. You can see. Do you like the yellow or the red? I actually like the yellow also. You know, many press cars I try nowadays, they are not even color, it's just shades of gray. Black or white or gray. But these are actual color per definition. Nice, okay. So, but yeah, I can show you maybe, there's usually some information here. Cyberster. Yeah, okay, so, well, whatever. I was expecting some kind of info. Okay, no, it's not that. It seems like it's just the website. But okay, so that's gonna be it. Just a quick review, and then eventually I'm gonna borrow it. So if you guys are up for it, just let me know, and I will try to grab the car and squeeze it in between some of the other press cars I have. Because actually I am booked all the way until end of November. But not all of them are cars that need full 1 week test. So then this possibly also needs a full week. But some of the other cars, it's like just a slightly different variant of a car I already tested. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.